Want to ensure your content is accurate and reliable? DetectingAI.com's AI fact checker has got you covered. Just paste your text and click Check Facts. Instantly, you'll see a sentence-by-sentence breakdown of the results, showing which parts are true, false, or uncertain. For more details, head over to the Extracted Facts section. Simply click on any sentence to reveal its sources and claims, or even the corrected claims if needed. Need a full report? You can also download the complete fact-check report to review later. With DetectingAI.com, ensuring trust in your content is just a click away.